In this video today, we will see how to add an application icon to the home screen of your Samsung device. So this is the home screen, and if you swipe to the left, so these are all home screens. Now if you want to bring an application icon on this home screen, then what you can do is you can go to settings, display, scroll down, go to home screen, and if you see there is an option here, add apps to the home screen. So if you enable this option, then what happens is when you download an application in your phone for the first time, then the app icon will be automatically added to the home screen. So it can be added here, or it might be added to the other home screen. Now suppose if I delete this app icon from the home screen, so let me tap and hold this YouTube app icon here and then remove from home. Now suppose if I have to bring that app icon back to this screen, then what I will do, I will go to this application screen. You can see there is YouTube icon here. I will tap and hold this YouTube app icon, then I will drag and I will add at the bottom here. So the application icon which was deleted is again restored back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.